welcome to my JZ Turnsville channel. My name is Zoe. It's almost Christmas! And we're gonna be making sugar scrubs. I can't wait! So the things you will be needing, well, the very important part usually is the presentation. So like over here, I wrote with liquid chalk, who I'm gonna give it to Anna, and I just used some glitter glue to make a heart and some designs. And yeah, that's one of the very most important parts. And what you can use to put the sugar scrubs in is a plastic or glass container. I will be using plastic. What you will be needing is 1 cup of white or brown sugar, 15 drops of essential oil, 5 drops of food coloring. You can use almond or coconut oil. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. The next step I'm gonna do is adding my lavender essential oil. Don't be afraid if you add more than 15, but it's gonna make it a better scent. So now that I've added the 15 drops of lavender essential oil, I'm gonna be adding food coloring. I'm gonna be adding purple food coloring just because lavender is a purple color, so yeah. So I'm gonna be adding 5 drops of this. So now that I've added the 5 drops of my food coloring, I'm gonna mix it. So when I kept mixing, it did get a little dry, so I'm gonna add little bits of sweet almond oil until I get to this consistency I want. So once I added the sweet almond oil, it got to a way better consistency. I'm really liking it. Voila! So now slowly I'm gonna pour it into my plastic container. Voila! It's so cute. Now you want to close it. And this is a perfect gift to give for Christmas or any other holiday.